Just tell me 1-2 books that you like.
Okay, I like science fiction, Ray Bradbury a lot,
Oh.
Fahrenheit 451,
Oh.
and I like non-fiction also, School of Life and like stuff like that.
I would recommend Vegetarian by,
By
Han
Han
Kang.
Kang. I have to read it. Yes, yes.
You might
yes.
like that.
Yeah,
It's interesting.
Yeah.
Unusual, strong
Yeah.
imagery,
strong imagery.
sparse,
Yeah.
and short. It's a
Yeah.
novella.
इसकी भी बहुत पोलराइजिंग है. Some people swear by a vegetarian, by the way, and some people are like कि पल्ले ही नहीं पड़ी.
हाँ तो ठीक है ना.
Fair,
हो सकता है, क्यों
absolutely.
नहीं? हाँ,
But I
everybody
love the
doesn't
way
like-
you used strong imagery. This is what I live for. In films, in books, imagery दे दो, बाकी मैं देख लूँगा. मैं तो चीटिंग कर लेता हूँ. ये मैं कुछ पॉडकास्ट में बोला है, अगर नाइट लिखी होती है, डे लिखा होता है, मैं नाइट इमेजिन करके किताब पढ़ लेता हूँ. I don't like have to stick to the.
अगर डे लिखा है, you imagine it as night.
Yeah. Sometimes I do this कि ज़्यादा फेशियल लाइक पे कर रहे हो, उन्होंने हैट पहनी थी, मैंने तो कोई इमेजिन कर लिया मेरे अंकल. नाउ आई विल रीड इट इन माय वे.
Oh, how interesting.
Yeah, because for me everything is about imagery.
But that is what is so interesting in a book, na?
Yeah.
Which is the most engaging thing about a book, because in a film or a show, you don't have to use your imagination.
Yeah.
I mean, you can maybe correlate or draw patterns or analyze or dissect or break down, unpack, whatever you want to call it. But reading is an exercise where you are also working.
I have a question. जैसे आपने 40 पेज पढ़े एक बुक के और आपने एक लाइक फेस इमेजिन कर लिया, लाइक यू इमेजिन्ड अ लेडी, ऐसी दिखती है, ऐसा है, और 40th लाइक 40 पेज के बाद ये होता है कि नहीं, उनके एक तिल है एंड लाइक वो थोड़ी सी मस्कुलर है. वुड यू चेंज द इमेजरी?
Yeah.
अच्छा, you would.
If it's well written.
Yes.
It has to be well written to convince me. I totally would. That's the whole thing about Guess Who's Coming to Dinner, I believe. I haven't seen it. But the whole thing is this woman, I mean, I could be getting some facts wrong, but something like this. This whole thing about this, it's an older film, no? Getting her boyfriend home for dinner to meet the parents, and the whole thing, or The Bluest Eye, basically,
Yeah.
is similar. I mean, and then you find out that he's black. And not just that, while I'm reading, if it describes a facial expression, I'll do it myself. Like, for example, twitched up a lip or exhaled or something, I'll do it myself while reading. I mean, I kind of think that many people must be doing that. Yeah.
Is it an actor thing or in
No, I
general?
don't think it was. I was doing it long before I was an actor. I mean, I started acting young, but now I think many people do it.
This is so fascinating.